Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the opacity of elements and graphics in Canva. This is a super useful feature when you want to create layered designs, add subtle background elements, or blend text and images together for a more professional look. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Canva design. Once you have your project loaded up, you'll see all the elements you've been working with on your canvas. Now, this is where you'll select the specific element you want to adjust. This could be a graphic, shape, image, or even text. Simply click on the element to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the selection handles appear around it, usually indicated by small circles or squares at the corners and edges. After selecting your element, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll notice a variety of editing options available there. Look for the transparency option and click on it. This is the key feature that allows you to control how see-through or opaque your selected element appears on the canvas. When you click on transparency, a slider will appear, giving you full control over the opacity level. Now, here's where you can fine-tune the look of your element. You'll see a slider that you can drag left or right. Dragging the slider to the left will make your element more transparent, meaning it becomes lighter and more see-through. This is perfect when you want to create subtle watermark effects or layer elements without them overpowering the rest of your design. On the other hand, dragging the slider to the right will make the element less transparent, bringing it back to full opacity and making it more prominent in your design. If you're looking for a quick and common opacity setting, you can also manually type in a specific value. For example, if you want a very basic 50% opacity, simply click on the percentage field and type 50. This gives you a nice balanced transparency that works well for many design purposes, especially when you want an element to be visible but not too dominant. And that's it. You've now adjusted the opacity of your element in Canva, giving you more creative control over how your design elements interact with each other. This simple feature can really elevate your designs by adding depth and visual interest. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.